What's happening, everybody? What's happening? Yeah. Tour pack ready. We 30 minutes to get over here. So y'all hold on a quick second. Yeah. See all that hustle money right there in the car? You don't even want to talk. But look, we're going to get into it. What's happening, peoples? So, today, back on the PC build, part 2. I think I may have to take my motherboard back out. Got my hard drive. SATA cable. But today I got my CPU fan. Today is the day I put my fan in. There it is. Today might be a smoke test day. Smoke test day for the CPU, motherboard and processor unit, fan and all that stuff. I think with this I got it. That's my box, all my parts. Man, they go crazy with this CPU stuff, man. So I'm learning. This new CPU fan stuff is crazy. Used to just snap it on and that was it. But now you got all this new stuff. So this is a whole new process, y'all. So the CPU fan, the process is totally different than what it used to be. So I got to take the whole motherboard back out of the. All right. Give me a little bit of this magic paste. Put my fan on. The fins rather. I tell you, man. So this is a whole lot different than when I used to build them. A whole lot different. So I'm gonna go right here. Let me see, I gotta leave my glasses. Got the old man spectacles. Y'all remember that? All right. Now that looks totally different. All right. So let's see, y'all. I still need to know where my hard drives hook up to. That's what I'm stuck on. Oh, right there in my face. Duh. It's right in my face. If it was a snake, it would have bit me twice. I got a little dilemma here. My chassis box need to come off, and then that should go right in now. Now I shouldn't have no problem getting it in there. Okay, folks. So now I think I got it. Gotta lay it back down. Now I don't plan on gaming with this thing, but I do have the setup. All I need now is a graphics card. 808, once again, you did that. Y'all check out Meekmo Customs, man, on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all that, man. Get yourself some merch, man. All right, y'all see the inside of it. That's the inside of it. Look like spaghetti now. Guess I should go ahead and give it a smoke test. There we are. Oh, here we go. In the box. This is it, y'all. This is it, y'all. Y'all seeing this for the first time just like me. If we go up in smoke, y'all going up in smoke with me. Off. Oh, look at that. Alright, y'all. The moment of truth has arrived. So, main power in. Power switch. Got power there. Y'all looking at it for the first time. Y'all see that? Look at the colors. Here we go, y'all. Nothing. Failed my smoke test. Power and everything, yeah. That's it, folks. Gotta find out what I did wrong. Alright, y'all, we're gonna wrap it up.